It has illusion mesh and everything. It's the Cardi B dress. Cardi B? Who made the dress? Hold on. Hey guys, it's a different setting. Welcome back to the channel. It's a new vlog. Here's my outfit. I'm working in my in-laws basement. Oh, Kinta got me new Yeezy sandals yesterday. I'm so excited. I was having a really shitty day, but then this was the highlight of the day. So what happened was I made this last minute birthday dress for a client, like a very beautiful dress. I'm gonna show you guys. Her birthday is the 27th. Today is the 21st, so I have a little bit of time to do it again and ship it. Hopefully it gets to her on time, because considering the holiday and everything. But I made the dress and I was supposed to ship it yesterday, so I scheduled a pickup because I didn't have a right to go take it to the post office because my husband is going to work and stuff. And then the package was stolen at the door. The dress was basically stolen. I was so devastated, you guys. I cried so much. I cried so much I had a headache. But then at the end of the day, I was like, it wasn't meant for her to wear that dress. But that's not gonna stop me. You know, I'm gonna make a new one. But yeah, so I bought the fabric last evening and I expedite ship it. Thank God it got here in the morning around 9, so I was so scared that it would get stolen too. It's the holiday, so people are going crazy stealing packages and shit, but it's here and now I'm just gonna work on it. It was a beautiful dress. I probably already have shown you guys a picture, but I know it's gonna take me the whole day and maybe tomorrow, but I'm gonna just do my best and just focus and just, it's gonna be easier because I did it before and it took 3 days before yesterday because I had some error and I had to, not yesterday, 3 days ago, more like 4 days ago, because I had some errors and I need to start over and stuff. But this time it's gonna be quicker. Everything's gonna go great. Yes, it is. I need to go find, because it had a bra cup and boning, it was lined, it has a skin tone mesh, you know, all of that is a lot of work, but I got this. I'm gonna go. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys doing it because I'm already stressed as it is, so I don't want to add on to that. I'll just update you guys maybe midway. Oh, like after I accomplish a step, I'll just show you guys. I'll see you guys. I'm wearing this from Mode. It's so comfortable. I think I've never worn anything I had the way I wore this. Like I wore this to go out to work, like, and I stained it, you guys, with oil. I'm so angry. What removes oil from clothing? Please let me know if you know, because that's pissing me off. But I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? I totally forgot about you guys. Why is it dark? But yeah, I'm halfway done. Finish the top, working on the bottom now. You guys, this one is gonna look even better than the one that was stolen, but yeah, maybe it happened for a reason. It did happen for a reason. But yeah, I'm working on the skirt now. Everything is fully lined, you know, quality. It took me long, but I already did it like perfect, then finish it early. It's currently 7:27 and I started at 12 something to 1. But yeah, we're almost there. After this, I'm gonna put the zipper and then make the gloss. I want to finish everything today. The gems are not here, so they'll probably come tomorrow morning. I hope so. But as soon as they get here tomorrow, I'm gonna put them on, let it dry, and then ship it out before 5 so she can get it the next day, Wednesday. Yeah. Hey y'all, why is it dark? It's literally the next day. I was so tired yesterday. Did I even update you guys? I can't remember, but I had Yasin came by and tried on the dress for me and it fit perfect. But I'm still waiting on Amazon to bring the gems so I can put it. The goal was to ship it today, but if it comes before 3, then I could put it, let it dry for an hour, then take it to the post office. But it's currently, I think it's like 12. It's currently 12 p.m. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure if I already showed you guys, but here's the beautiful dress. It has illusion mesh and everything. It's the Cardi B dress. Cardi B, who made the dress? Hold on. Here. Ooh. It's not even focusing. I'll put a picture on the screen. But the dress was by Mugler Manny. It was by Mugler. Mugler. I don't even fucking know. Mugler or Mugler? I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's by them. Here's my version of it. It's short. It's for a birthday. It is beautiful. It's beautiful right now, but when everything is done, it's fully lined in the inside. It's fully lined. Here's the skirt. Let me unzip it. The zip is hard because the sequence and it's not stretched. It will be easy to open if the person put it on and it's stretched out, so the sequence won't be blocking the zipper. That's why I don't like this fabric. But the inside is also fully lined, and it has bra cups and boning. Yep, it's expensive dress. Yeah, so it's a mini dress. It's short. If she wore it before I post this video, I'll insert a picture or video of it. It comes with gloves. It's like a long glove, so I can't wait to see it in her. Is it in her? Oh. I can't wait to see it on her. Now I'm just sweeping because sequence is a lot. I had to sweep the whole house, the bathrooms and everything, because anywhere I go, it follows. So I'm just sweeping the basement right now, and I'm gonna start working on something else. Maybe another sequence, but it's gonna be silver. You know, New Year's vibes. But it's my pocket. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm still wearing this same thing. I love it. It's very comfortable, and it's a 2-piece, so I always have like a long sleeve under and some leggings. Oh, I don't have one today, the leggings, but it's really cute. I'll see you guys later. I thought the lunch was 24 minutes. Oh, but I finished sweeping. This wishes Amazon will come already. Like, so I'm just gonna relax and wait. There's nothing I can do but relax. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna start on prom samples. That's what I want to do. I think I'm gonna sketch out something and just cut. And anytime the thing comes, it comes. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hey y'all. So it's 3 and the applicant still hasn't come, so I guess I'm gonna have to ship it tomorrow. But I'm working on a prom sample. I'm working on the bodice right now, but yeah, I'm scared. Just hope it comes in time. I'm just trying to stay cool, keep my calm, keep my cool. I'm just gonna listen to music and work. Hey y'all. Oh. I was working and my needle broke. It was the last needle I have. I'm actually working in the back pattern for the top. I think I'm gonna have to go to Giant tomorrow morning with my baby. With my baby. With hubby. My love. I'm annoying. But I'm gonna go to Giant tomorrow and get needles. This is Singer 100s. Oh, I think I have the pack. I swept it. Oh my god, I swept it. Swept. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Hopefully it shows. So what am I gonna do now? Maybe go do my makeup. I'm feeling like it today, which never happens, but I'm gonna have to keep this somewhere because I'm not sure. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, I actually went out to eat at a Senegalese restaurant. It's closed, so we were only able to order to go but not to sit. But the thing finally came. It just actually got here, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm sleepy and so full, and I did buy needles from Giant, so that's great for tomorrow. But I will just be doing this for now. YouTuber. I don't even know where I stopped. I think it's been like 6 days or something. Oh, I think I was finishing the red dress. Yeah. Did I tell you guys it was stolen and I had to redo it again? I think I did. Yeah. But I didn't send it to her before the 27th. She got it, but she was like, she wasn't gonna wear it because she felt like it was costumey. And it wasn't my fault because maybe she didn't know what she wanted to wear. Let's put the dress up. But this is what I'm working on. I'm working on a prom sample gown. Yeah, it's gonna have stones and everything, but I think I'm gonna close the vlog here because I don't even know how long this vlog's been going. But thank you for watching. Thank you for, I don't even know, thank you for being here even though I'm the worst vlogger in the world. I feel like I want to sneeze but it's not coming. But you guys, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.